Hey guys, got a cool car coming up for sale for you. This is a 1952 MG TD Replica kit car by Daytona Automotive. Fiberglass appears to be the manufacturer. But it is a kit car. It is built on a Volkswagen Beetle platform as far as the engine, transmission, and the chassis goes. Appears to be Volkswagen Beetle parts. Fiberglass body. And it's in really good shape. It's got a really nice top on it. See here, custom made top that does come off. It does have some side windows that go on the side. You can see the clips there. But really cute car. Make a great cruiser. It's got the suicide, so it's a lot easier to get in and out of. It shows 36,000 on the odometer. The title is mileage exempt, so I'm not sure if that's accurate or not. Got an amp gauge there, a compass. I'm not sure if that radio works. Doesn't appear to be turning on. Got a horn. Let's see. These are for your lights, wipers. See, you got your emergency brake down there, very Volkswagen style. You got your clutch, also Volkswagen. Seatbelts, you can see it has a Colorado reassignment VIN number, which is good. That's what you want to see on a kit car. It was inspected by the state and approved to have a new clean title for it. See your Beetle style front suspension, nice fog lamps. So the engine is sitting back here. Kicked it down off the choke. So if you're interested in this 1952 MG TD kit car replica, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. There'll be about 50 plus high resolution pictures. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to schedule a test drive, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.